One of the toughest things about turning your ideas into reality is that it doesn't happen overnight. Oftentimes, the finished product or process takes time and iteration before it is ready to launch. When projects are stretched over a long period of time, you run the risk of losing focus, misalignment as a team, and mismanaging time and resources. In this course, we're focusing on best practices that support teams from development to delivery. We're going to show you how to approach a creative retrospective to assess the quality of the session, how to create documentation that communicates value and impact to sponsors, and how to build an innovation repository that supports the team and the work they do.